Hello everyone! We are going to cover Unit 4, Part 2, which covers various essays. So, we have many different types of essays. We have descriptive, definition, compare and contrast, cause and effect, narrative, process, argumentative, critical, and expository. And through each of the essays that you write and other assignments, we do cover each one just in very interesting ways. So we are going to look at 4 specific ones, and they are the 4 major essay types, which are narrative, descriptive, expository, and persuasive. First up, narrative essay. It is when a writer tells a story about a real-life experience. It challenges the writer to think and write about themselves, and needs to be as vivid as possible. It draws a conclusion or personal statement. It's a way of making a connection with the reader. One famous writer that does this is David Sedaris, and he writes primarily creative nonfiction, but it is like this. He is telling stories about real-life experiences, but in a way to connect to a larger context. So, storytelling. Let's see if the cursor moves. There it goes. Next up we have descriptive essays, which paints a picture with words, describes a person, place, object, or memory of special significance, communicates a deeper meaning through the description, shows, not tells, the information through use of colorful words and sensory details. It's similar to the narrative essay, but it's much more than that. It's vivid details, vivid imagery. You're connecting to the reader, but in a poetic sense, similar to what a lot of authors do with fiction writing. Now, expository essays are what we primarily do in English classes. They are informative. It presents a balanced analysis of a topic. They explain or define a topic using facts, statistics, and examples. And it encompasses a wide range of essay variations, such as comparison and contrast, cause and effect, and process. And these are the ones where you do not have your opinion, and you don't use meta-discourse. You don't have that opinion base so much in expository essay. You are just presenting facts. These may be dry, but they are useful to present cases, things that maybe you want to shed light on or use for specific topics. And last we have persuasive essays, which are a presentation of facts, but with the goal to convince the reader to accept the writer's point of view or recommendation. It builds a case using facts and logic, as well as examples, expert opinion, and sound reasoning. And it should present all sides of an argument, but also communicate clearly why a certain position is correct. It's in these essays where you must make that point, the slamming your foot down type of thing, where this is what I think, and this is why I have built my case before you. So, it does not have to be that dramatic, but as I have said in class, it's fun to think in terms of dramatics. And so these are our 4 essay types, which you will see the specific wording for in Essay 2, coming up next.